3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TCO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
If you're seeing an issue in your Facebook group, here's how to fix it. Download a tool, install as a Chrome extension, and use it to submit an appeal to Facebook. But begin by clicking the link in the description, which will take you to a Google Drive page. Download the provided zip file and save it somewhere accessible like your desktop. Open Google Chrome, navigate to the extensions page by selecting the 3 dots in the upper right corner, then choose More Tools and Extensions. Enable developer mode at the top right of this page. Extract the downloaded zip file and drag and drop the extracted folder into the extensions page to install it. After installation, click on the extension icon in Chrome, where you'll be prompted to fill out a form. Enter your group's name, page link, and any relevant details. Double check all information to ensure its accuracy. Next, capture a screenshot of your group's quality status using a screen capture tool like Snipping Tool. Include this screenshot and provide a transparent explanation of why you're submitting the appeal. Once done, click Submit to send the appeal to Facebook. You should receive confirmation shortly, with a response typically arriving within 5 minutes to 24 hours. After approval, your group status should return to green. If this tutorial was helpful, like and subscribe for more fixes, and feel free to ask questions in the comments.